everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm going to replicate a look that Lisa Eldridge did. Fingers crossed. Well, my nails are wet. I can't cross my fingers right now. Okay, I just polished my nails with Frostbite by GLAZE because she had on a dark blue metallic. She has a video on this look and I'll link her video below because she did a gorgeous job. Just inspired me before I went to sleep. I said, I'm going to do this tomorrow. So here is her picture. And I will put it up. I'm really scared to put it up side by side, you know. But I'm going to look and see how she has her hands. This way. She has some rings on. Let's see, I keep a couple of rings. Ooh! I keep a couple of rings by my filming area. So I'm going to put my two blue ones on. She has a black top. And the only black turtleneck that goes into the pile of giveaways and comes back, and goes in the pile of giveaways and comes back, and I said, you know what, I'll wear that today, and I can't find it, so I'm wearing a chenille sweater. Okay, now I have to try to get this pose. Let's try. I'm gonna put my phone up here. No, not that way. This kind of like the left hand, but right, with the hair down and the right hand, and then the other side back. Okay, so we have to switch rings around. Let's see, which one do we want to show? I think only one is going to show, like that. Okay. We have to show our nails. This is the part that shows the most sweater. And I'm going to crop it very close, so we'll see. Let's try it. She have her fingers. Do it this way. Let's just start with the lip base. Oh, good. That's nice and peachy. This is called Too Faced Melted Sellout. This is a nice peach color. I want to overdraw so my lips look a little bigger. This is Marc Jacobs, In the Mood. I like the liquid lipsticks, but I do not wear them alone. I wear a creamy gloss, a creamy lipstick, or a lip gloss over it all the time. Unless it's a very dark color. I love this lipstick. I have a whole line of blushes that I'm going to do a video on to show you these blushes. Every color is phenomenal. They're light diffusing. They are amazing. You glow from within with it. So here's the color that I'm picking today. And it's a peachy. It looks so natural. Before I do that, let's see. Let's try this. This is City Color. Blush. Now she put on lashes. I'm going to put on magnetic lashes. Now I have a dupe video coming up for highlighter sticks too. I am trying this one out, but I have cheaper ones that work just as good. I am trying this out to see how much I like it. I like the color. I like the spongy. I'm probably going to keep this. So this is how I came up with Lisa Eldridge's Smoky Midnight Navy Blue Eye. And I really like it. It's a nice change from black and taupe. So she was like this. So that's the look. I'm going to be doing a lot more of these different looks that different people show because I like to create and really concentrate and try to get it right. It's like doing a painting. So I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next Saturday. Thanks for watching. Love you. If you want to just hit the boop, boop, boop and the boop, that would make me so happy. So thank you so much. Have a great, great week. Love you all. Oh boy. Now let's see how this came out. I have no idea.